Put the car in park! You're under arrest! Stop! Stop!
On June 12, 2025, officers with the Joliet Police Department encountered a reckless driver speeding nearly 70 miles per hour in a 35-mile-per-hour speed zone. The teenage driver behind the wheel of a BMW refused to comply with commands during the stop, leading to a tense standoff with officers. When the driver continued to ignore orders, officers were forced to shatter the vehicle's window to gain control of the situation.
Up on the hill, stuck in the... Show me your hands, Joliet Police! Frank 57255. Let me see your hands! Stop! 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 Put the car in park! You're under arrest! Stop! 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 Put the car in park! You're under arrest! You're under arrest! Stop! Stop! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Unlock the car! Unlock the car!
Windows! Yo! Stop breaking all the windows!
I'm trying to get out. I'm trying to get out. Please, I'm trying to get out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Put the car in park! You're under arrest! Stop! Stop!
This one's shattered. Unlock the door. Then open the door. You're gonna get shot. Open the door. Open it.
Stop
Get out
breaking
now.
all the windows! There's no need
Get
to
on the
drag
ground.
me. There's no need to drag me. There's no need to drag me.
I got you. Get up. Get up. You alright?
Man, they broke all my windows for what?
Alright, buddy. Well, hold on. Take a seat, alright? Any knives, anything on you?
Nothing, bro.
You got any injuries? Alright.
Could you
Hold on,
like
let's-
wipe my eyes, dude? They got
Yeah.
glass in my eye.
Let me put my gloves on, alright? Hold on, buddy. What's wrong with your eye?
I got glass in it, bro. Could you just like literally just wipe it or something? No, in my literally in my eye.
In your eye?
Yeah.
He got glass in his eye. No, not yet.
Got nothing on me. How am I gonna get it back?
If it gets seized, you're not going to get it back.
What do you mean?
If it gets seized, the city's going to take it. They're
Okay,
going to sell it. Or they're going to keep it. But you'll have a hearing on that if you decide to seize it or not.
Let me see it, man.
dude, can you you have gloves on, don't you?
Yeah, paramedics are coming.
I don't need paramedic. You could just wipe my eye,
Yeah,
dude.
if I wipe your eye and then cuts out your vision, you'd be like, why the f let him wipe my eye?
It's
You
in
know
the
what I mean?
corner of my eye.
We'll let them take your okay?
What's your first name, man?
EDGAR.
Huh?
Edgar.
Edgar? Alright, Edgar. Hey, I'm Officer Line, obviously with the Joliet Police Department, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Okay.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or present with you or you being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, do you see everything going on around you right now?
I'm
You
aware.
see how many cops we have here?
No need for all that, but
For
yeah,
for what?
no reason at all.
For
dude.
what?
Not
Dude,
necessary.
I was pulling you over for doing 55 and a 30, okay? And then you take off from me on Jefferson Street before I even let you up, and I had you doing 71 and a 30.
I seen you had your car off, and I knew exactly you were gonna chase me. So
I didn't chase you. I went to go pull you over, and then you took off, and I turned my lights off, and that's when you crashed in the park. Because believe me, if this was 2 years ago, I would have been up your ass on that and that hill. But why? You knew I was the police, right? You saw the fully marked squad car. You just said you saw my lights were off as I was sitting on the side of the road, and then you saw me pull out. and you decide to accelerate?
Thought I would have lost it by then, but I forget the bridge is closer.
Yeah, fatal mistake on that one. But good thing, because you probably would have lost control over that bridge.
And run somebody over.
Dude, you got to be smarter, man. Like a speeding
You were lucky
ticket.
out of the car.
If I would have gave you a ticket, just turned into a felony. And you got to realize it's summertime. There's kids outside. I know it's late.
Dude, it's like 12 p.m.
Dude, it's like 11, and it don't matter.
Kids are out of school, bro.
You even injured your finger from breaking my window, really?
Yeah, and guess whose fault that is?
Dude,
Guess whose fault?
You have a baton or a
Hey,
flashlight.
guess what the law states? Do you know what the law states?
Tell me.
The law states if somebody gets hurt while you were in the commission of a crime, you could be charged with it.
No one told you to break your...
I didn't break it with my fist, I broke it with my ass. But guess what? I couldn't see inside that window, and I got to make sure I could see to make sure there's not a gun pointed at me.
Don't you think you would have
So,
got shot by
here's,
then?
huh?
Don't you think you would have got shot by then?
No, because people are really shitty shots.
Gotta be a
So
real
here's
shitty
here's
shooter for
here's
that.
what's gonna go on from here, right? You're 18. Yeah. Okay.
Unfortunately.
So I'll let you know all your charges when we get down to the station. Okay. Your car is now property of the Joliet Police Department. You're gonna have to go to court for that. It's seized.
So it's seized, meaning I won't be able to get it back.
No, you're gonna have to go to court and try to get it back. But I think after a judge watches that video, they're gonna give it to the Joliet Police Department. So make better decisions in your future. You don't want to take your phone with you to make phone calls?
Okay, sure, yeah, let me get it.
Hopefully he doesn't. He does there.
And where are you taking her?
Thanks, brother.
What was that?
Where are you taking her? Down to the... Can you bring her down to the station with me?
No.
Then are you gonna...
But she's not under arrest. Or if,
I
you know,
understand that, but where
Is
are you
there
taking her?
insurance on that car?
she's gonna go. She's gonna go where she wants
it's
to
on my
go.
phone.
She's an adult, you know. Yeah, thanks. You know what I mean? She's an adult. She can, unless you have her, you don't have her kidnapped or anything, do you?
No, yeah, that have her kidnapped. Free will and anything, she's kidnapped. Seriously though, I want to make sure she gets home all good. It's
Okay,
12 p.m.,
well,
you know?
well, this is what's gonna happen. All right, Edgar.
Okay.
What's gonna happen is you're gonna go to jail, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what's gonna happen is you're gonna make. You're in this position because of what you did. If you would have just stopped, you would have got a little ticket, maybe even a warning. You would have been good. I get it, man. You got a nice car and you want to show off. That's fine.
It wasn't really
But
a
somebody
show
can get
off.
killed and then what?
How are you guys?
Hey guys,
What happened? They brought out your window, man? That's how you got glass
got some glass in his eye.
The teenage driver was taken into custody following the incident and now faces multiple charges, including reckless driving, speeding, and failure to comply with lawful orders. No officers were reported injured during the arrest. This case highlights how quickly routine traffic stops can escalate when drivers refuse to follow commands, forcing officers to take decisive action to bring the situation under control.